say I'm no good.
This is it then, the game they've all been waiting for, and the home team have been announced. Now let's look at the away team. And Varane, this should be an entertaining game. Sterling. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. And that's a bit slack already. It's going to be a free kick. Looks like the referee's going to have words here, but he's going to keep his cards in his pocket. That's the goal kick. Let's see how close that one was to going in. And the first shot of the day is off target. Played short by the keeper. Lamar. He did really well there. Just the keeper to beat. A safe piece of goalkeeping. Keeper sends it long. Sterling. Chiellini with a tackle. Ramos. They've won the ball back again. Striker's ball. Oh, well timed. He loves to run with the ball. Played wide. Striker's ball. Suarez. So a free kick then. What's the referee going to do here? Oh, he's got off lightly in my opinion. It's just a warning. He's unstoppable with the ball. And he stayed onside. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Well read. Defender regains possession, and now they'll try and break. What a chance! Ronaldo shoots. Launched upfield by the keeper. Really well there. That's lofted upfield. Well, not too many talking points in that opening 45 minutes. Let's head the half-time. Off we go here. Managers have had a chance to have a word with their players, and it's still anyone's game. He's so skillful on the ball. Chiellini with a tackle. Sends it forward. Well. Great dribbling. Is this the moment? He shoots, and that is a fantastic goal. Here's a replay of that great goal. We're back underway, but how will this team respond?
What a kick in the teeth, but you wear it so well. Stuck in
Mbappe. Sterling. Alves. It's tight, but a good call by the referee. Lewandowski. Bale on the ball. Pepe. What a well-timed tackle. Crossed inside. Lovely bit of skill there. Mbappe! Wow, that was close. Not much in it there at all. De Bruyne. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. They want to add to their lead here. Great chance here. Bale shoots. What a finish! And it's a fantastic finish off the woodwork there, leaving the goalkeeper no chance whatsoever. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. The crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Oh, and dispossessed there. Oh, determined challenge there. He's knocked it long. Now De Bruyne. The manager will be delighted with this performance. Oh, that was nice. That has gone out of play. Well timed and good defending. Sends it forward. Hazard. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. The line, it's out of play. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. Oh, determined challenge there. This team of stars were powerless to stop them.